Hey everyone, it's your friend MathTube here. Today we're exploring the amazing world of math all around us. Math isn't just a boring subject, it's the secret code of the universe. From atoms to galaxies, math helps us understand it all. And guess what? You're already using it every day. Ever wondered why your favorite music sounds so good, or how GPS knows the fastest route? That's math. So buckle up because we're diving into the hidden math in your everyday life. Let's start with something we all deal with: money. Imagine you're at the mall and you see a shirt you have to have. It's 20% off score. But how much will it actually cost? That's where math comes in. Percentages, decimals, quick mental calculations. You're basically a math whiz without even realizing it. Think about budgeting. You've got bills to pay, groceries to buy, maybe you're even saving up for something special. That's all about addition, subtraction, and maybe a little bit of division. Even comparing prices at the grocery store to find the best deal. That's math in action. Unit prices, ratios, you're making sure you get the most bang for your buck. See? Math is your secret weapon for financial success. Time. It waits for no one, right? But with a little help from math, we can become masters of our own schedules. You set your alarm for 7 a.m., giving yourself exactly 30 minutes to get ready before you have to leave for work at 7:30. That's time management at its finest. And what about scheduling that important meeting? You've got to find a time that works for everyone, maybe even factor in different time zones. That's like solving a complex equation, but instead of numbers, you're juggling calendars and appointments. Sometimes even with our best laid plans, life throws us a curveball. Need to reschedule that meeting because of traffic? No problem. You can quickly calculate how much time you'll need to get there on time, thanks to the magic of math. Math helps us manage our time and stay on track. Speaking of traffic, let's talk about GPS. Have you ever wondered how this magical technology knows how to get you from point A to point B, even with construction or accidents? It's all thanks to math. GPS uses complex algorithms, which are just fancy sets of mathematical instructions to figure out the fastest and most efficient route. It takes into account your location, destination, traffic conditions, even the curvature of the earth. These algorithms are constantly learning and adapting. The more people use GPS, the more accurate and efficient it becomes. It's like a never-ending math problem being solved to get you where you need to go. Now let's talk about sports. Whether you're a die-hard fan or just enjoy the occasional game, you might be surprised to learn how much math is involved in every play. From calculating angles in basketball to determining the trajectory of a baseball, math is the MVP behind the scenes. Think about a game of pool. Every shot involves angles, geometry, and a bit of physics. And what about statistics? Batting averages, completion percentages, free throw percentages. These are all mathematical calculations that help us analyze performance, track progress, and make predictions about future outcomes. Last but not least, let's head to the kitchen. Because even something as delicious as cooking involves a healthy dose of math. Every recipe you follow is essentially a mathematical formula. You've got your ingredients, measurements, and instructions, all carefully calculated to create the perfect dish. Take baking, for example. Precision is key. Too much flour or not enough sugar can spell disaster for your cake or cookies. That's why bakers rely on precise measurements, ratios, and conversions. Even if you're not a master chef, you're still using math in the kitchen all the time. Need to double a recipe to feed a crowd? Math to the rescue. Want to adjust the cooking time based on the size of your dish? Math has got your back. From measuring ingredients to adjusting temperatures, math is the secret ingredient that makes all the difference in the kitchen. So there you have it, folks. Math isn't just some abstract concept confined to textbooks and classrooms. It's the hidden force that shapes our world and empowers us to navigate it with confidence. From managing our money to mastering our schedules, from finding our way home to cooking up a storm in the kitchen, math is the secret ingredient that makes it all possible. If you found this eye-opening, hit that like button and subscribe for more fun math content. And be sure to tune in next time when we'll uncover the math behind winning at games. Until then, keep those mathematical minds sharp, and remember, math is everywhere.